Artificial intelligence is now an important part of society, with tools like ChatGPT and Gemini gaining massive traction over the years. However, the centralized nature of these platforms gives several reasons for concern. They are owned by a single entity, which makes them a single point of failure, and there is also the concern of the privacy of the user data on these platforms. Evidently, a decentralized solution is needed, so allow me to introduce you to GaiaNet. With GaiaNet, anyone can create, deploy, and scale their own AI agents on a decentralized network of nodes with no single point of failure and ensuring full privacy. These agents will act as a robust web-based chatbot with an API that is compatible with OpenAI for increased functionality. And in this video, we'll learn how to set up a GaiaNet node on Windows. The first step would be to head over to GaiaNet.ai and click Install Node to be redirected to this GitHub page. Now, if you don't already, you need to install Linux on Windows or WSL to proceed. To do that, you just need to launch command prompt in administrator mode and run this command to install Ubuntu on your computer. Now, once that's done, you can head back to GitHub and copy this code and paste it on your WSL application to install the GaiaNet Node software stack. This will take just a few minutes to unpack all of these files on your computer. And once that's finished, we'll proceed to initialize the node with this command, and then we can start the node. Once the node is started, we will receive an official node address which we can use to immediately start chatting with our new AI agents. And whenever you'd like, you can stop the node with this command, and that's it. That's how to set up your GaiaNet node on Windows. To get started, visit GaiaNet.ai today.